What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel World of VFX. In this video we'll talk about the simulation technique inside of Unreal Engine. Trust me, this is a very simple technique and easy to create, so without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to reset the entire scene. So stop the simulation first, go to File, New Level, take this basic one and press Create, and I'm just saving it. Don't save. And by the way, this project file link is in description box below. If you want, you can go and purchase it. It's a very nominal cost, so please go and purchase it and create your creativity. So first of all, let's organize everything. So just right click, take a new folder and name it tutorial_flag and press enter and just go inside. Now first of all, save the project file. So Control S, tutorial, name it flag tutorial and just press save. So this is the first step which you have done. Right now we need to create a model, so go to selection from modeling tab, and from here we can create this rectangle. Now no need to create any rectangle, you can use any primitives. So I'm just taking a new rectangle, just simply drag and drop. Now you can do this mesh option and you can find this width and depth. So by default it was like this. I change it to 150 by 300 and then just press accept. So now you have something like this kind of a rectangle shape. Now rotate this something here like 90 degree so that you can see what exactly going here. Now you need to click this remesh option. Now once you click this remesh option, you can find out a lot more polygons are here. Now if you want a smooth kind of a simulation, you can increase this, but if you want to just for the checking purpose, you can reduce it like 600 or 500. So as you can see, the polygons are reduced, but as of now I am going to use 8000. Now make sure you have to save the project files once you increase the polygon count. Now the smoothing type is by default mixed, but I use this uniform one, so it will create a uniform shape every time once it will simulate. You can also change this smoothing ratio as well, but for this by default 0.25 is more than enough. Alright, once you're happy with your mesh, press accept. So this is your current mesh for the simulations. Now the next step is all about the materials, but before that we need to organize this. So first of all, select your tutorial flag, and now you can see this generated option where you actually generate your static mesh. So simply select Ctrl and B, hold and drag and drop this here. So it will automatically move to this tutorial flag one. So this is our rectangle. So just rename this to flag_mod. It means model. So this is the flag model, this is the project file, and this is the file which you have generated. Now for the materials, right click, take a new folder and name it empty for materials, double click, and now you need to create your own material. But before that, you need to import the material which you want to apply as a cloth. So I have already imported that in a different flag folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply select this, make it duplicate, and just simply select Ctrl and B and just move it to this here. Now we need to create a material, so right click and click this material option and name it flag_empty and make it 01. Now just double click, you have something like this. Simply drag and drop this to here, connect this RGB to base color. Now if you don't want any reflection kind of a thing in your cloth, you no need to connect all this with this, but I'm just connect this roughness to this so that I want little roughness in this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just increasing the metallicness to 1, so now it will look like some metallic kind of a thing. So I'm just making it a flat surface so that you can see what exactly going on. Now I want little emission, so let's connect the emission to this. So now you can see it started emitting some light from here. Alright, material is done. Press save and simply close this. Now you need to apply the material to this cloth. So simply select this, and here you can find this element materials. Simply type flag_empty. You can automatically find this material. Simply select. Now as you can see, this material is not applied here properly, so you need to unwarp this. So simply select this UV unwarp option and press auto UV, press accept, and now click this transform UV option. Now simply select this UV. Now here you can literally move the UV just like a normal 3D model. So after adjusting the material, simply press accept, and now you are good to go. Now get back from this modeling mode from the selection mode. Now select this model, right click and convert to skeleton mesh, and after that press convert. Now it will create this entire flag into a skeleton mesh. Now you can find this purple or pink color light kind of a thing, so simply double click this, so it will open in a new window. Now what you need to do, select the root and you can move this to something like top, and now you can apply the material here as well. Now by default it will apply, but maybe some glitch on the new version, so that's why it's not applying. So you need to reapply this. So simply type flag01 material. So now as you can see, this already applied. Now simply rotate this to, let's say, 90 degree, and now your flag is here. So now the next step is very simple. What do you need to do? First of all, select this, right click, create clothing data from the selection and press this create option. And again select, right click, apply clothing data to this newly available asset. Now once you click, you are almost done. Now simply select this clothing data and click this activate cloth paint. Once you activate this, now you can paint out which area you want to simulate and which area you don't want to simulate. These two, because I want from this area the cloth will attach and it will start simulating. Alright, after that you can simply press deactivate and boom, your cloth is ready. Now if you notice, this cloth is a little bit different. So what you can do, simply click here and from the clothing option you can find this called wind option. Simply turn it to 10 and now you can see the wind is applied here successfully. You can also rotate the wind direction right from here just for the checking purpose. So once you feel happy with this, what you can do, simply press save and close this. Now simply delete this ground, delete this rectangle as well. Now what you can do, you can simply drag and drop this material to here and just move little top, rotate this to let's say 90 degree. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just apply a single mesh here. Simply add a basic primitive. So go to shapes, add a cylinder. So I'm just decreasing the cylinder shape to somewhere here. And also I'm just increasing the shape to 1. So this will basically help you to create the rod of the flag. Alright guys, right now we have successfully done this. And the next step is very simple. We need to just simulate this. Simply select this and just click here. And it started simulating. Now we don't have any wind separately. So what do you need to do? Simply stop this, click here and type WIND wind and you can find this wind directional source. Simply select, just move it here to C and now just make the strength to 10 by 10 and simply press play and you can see it started applying here, but the direction is wrong. So what you need to do, simply select it, just rotate the position to 170 or 180 degree and simply press play and your flag is started applying this amazing cloth simulation. So yes guys, that's it for today. I hope you can understand this very simple technique of cloth simulation inside of Unreal Engine. And also I'll be coming up with more new softwares, not only Unreal Engine. Make sure you have to comment what you really want from this channel. See you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking World of VFX. Thanks for watching.